going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the stock intake on the 48 with the Kinetic one. Let me show you what it looks like. So here we have all the parts for it. This is going to be the intake that's replacing it, and it's definitely different. I wanted to go for, obviously, clearly something different that most people have done, but it comes with the clear small intake, the gasket, looks like some screws, and looks like these are the big ones we're gonna bolt down that goes onto these big two holes. But check out the difference of what this is gonna look like. This has been a long time coming for this bike. It's finally coming along and looking how I've been wanting it to look, to my personal taste, of course. And even though it may look similar to other ones, it's still a little bit different. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this installed. First, I'm going to remove the cover. There we go. Oh yeah, just like that. Then we got 3 bolts we're gonna remove right here. So now this piece comes right out. There you go. You can see the throttle body right there. Super sick. Been a long time coming, guys. I'm so excited to do this. Kind of oily. All right, so I don't know if we need this bracket, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Package did not come with instructions, so I'm gonna look at some stuff real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and say that we don't need this piece right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. It's gonna go on this end like so. With my logic, this goes in like that. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in. So yeah, it looks like you just gotta slowly work at it. Put it in. What's kind of funny about this whole situation is we just got new neighbors, and like they were literally moving in today. And I'm about to fire this thing up. Yeah, welcome to the neighborhood. But first, we're going to open up the garage. guys, we are back from the ride, and this thing, as you guys saw, ran pretty nice. I did think it was gonna cost the exhaust to maybe pop a little bit more than it used to, but nevertheless, it sounds super clean. Very happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, if you did, comment your thoughts on the Kinetic intake here. I'm gonna link it into the description below. Not affiliated with them whatsoever. This is my own money, my own doing on buying this stuff. But yeah, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.